Nobody tells you how quiet it is at the beginning. When you start over, really start over, there is no applause, no support system waiting, no clear path ahead, just you and the decision you made, and the strange silence that follows it. People will not understand right away. Some will think you failed. Some will think you are lost. Some will wait quietly to say they told you so. And the hardest part is, you will not have the words to explain yourself yet, because the new version of you does not have language yet. It is still forming. Nobody tells you about the in-between, the space after you left the old thing and before the new thing has taken shape. That space feels like nothing, but it is not nothing. It is the most important place you will ever stand, because in that in-between, you are not the old version of yourself anymore, but you are not yet who you are becoming. And living in that gap, that formless, uncertain, uncomfortable gap, is the actual work of starting over. Nobody tells you that starting over is not one decision. It is 1,000 small ones. Every single morning, you wake up and choose it again. Choose the new direction again. Choose yourself again, even when nothing has visibly changed yet. Nobody tells you about the grief, because starting over always means leaving something behind, even if that something was hurting you, even if you chose to leave. There is still grief, and that grief is real, and it deserves to be felt, not rushed through. But here is what nobody tells you most of all. The person who comes out the other side of starting over is not the person who went in. They are quieter, more certain, less impressed by things that once seemed important, more moved by things that once seemed small. They have something that cannot be taught, cannot be given, can only be earned by standing in that uncomfortable in-between and refusing to go back. Starting over is not failure wearing a brave face. It is the most honest thing a person can do. It is choosing truth over comfort, growth over safety, the unknown over the certain wrong thing. And one day, not today, maybe not for a while, but one day you will look back at the moment you decided to start over, and it will be the moment you are most grateful for, not because it was easy, but because of who it made you. So if you are in it right now, in the quiet, in the in-between, in the part nobody told you about, just know this: you are not lost, you are becoming. So tell me, what are you starting over from right now? Comment below. I read every single one. Subscribe, because tomorrow we go even deeper.